Hi, this video will show you how to synchronize tasks in SharePoint task lists with your email client in either Outlook Online or Outlook 2013. The first thing you have to do in order to share a task to your Outlook is you have to go to the SharePoint task list that you want to share. So here we have already navigated to a task list. Once you're there, you have to check to make sure that your task satisfies certain criteria. The most important one is that you are in fact the person to whom the task has been assigned, or one of the people to whom the task has been assigned. If you're not, it won't work. The other thing you have to know is whether you have the right permissions in order to share your list with Outlook. Users have to have at least the edit level of permissions. So if this doesn't work for you, that would be the first thing I would check with your administrator. Once you have got an idea of what you want to share and you think you've got the permissions, go up here to List, click on that, and expose the ribbon, and then click on Sync to Outlook. This will provide a screen like this, which will give you the opportunity to sync the task. What you need to do is to check this checkbox and then click OK. Once you have pressed the Sync to Outlook button in the task list, you can then go to your email, in this case the Outlook Online client, and you can see the task will have shown up in your task list. So the way you do that is when you're in the email client, as we are here, you go down here to the lower left-hand corner where it says Tasks, and you click on that. And you can see that the task that we wanted to share has now shown up in your list of tasks. Your SharePoint tasks will also be synchronized to your Outlook client in Outlook 2013. We can see in this case that the tasks have been synchronized by clicking on Tasks and seeing that the SharePoint task for video demo here has in fact been propagated to the Outlook client as well as to Outlook web app. For more information about how to use Office 365 in general and also Office 2013, check out the CGNET Office 365 Resource Center at the URL below.